Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can dispute a credit card charge Wells Fargo. So let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser. Google Chrome is a good option, and go to wellsfargo.com. Log into your account using your username and password. If you've forgotten your login details, just click on the Forgot Username or Password link and follow the instructions to recover your access. Once you're logged in, navigate to the More menu on the home page and go to the Account Services section. From there, select Dispute a Transaction. You'll be guided through the steps to file your dispute directly online. If you'd rather speak to someone or need assistance with your claim, you can also contact Wells Fargo's customer service team by calling 1-800-390-5003. Now, as for how long it takes to resolve a dispute, there isn't a specific time frame, but Wells Fargo does make it a priority to review and handle claims efficiently and fairly.